Did you know? Studies have shown that fire pits fueled by natural gas can be significantly cleaner burning than those that use wood. This can help improve air quality, especially in neighborhoods with many fire pits. Want to create a cozy vibe on your small fire pit patio? String lights and a small fire pit are great for ambience. Built-in benches provide comfy seating without feeling bulky, and can have space-saving furniture like folding chairs can be tucked away when not in use. Before we begin our video, I welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our patio-related videos which we have planned. After this video, craving for an outdoor escape but on small space? Don't worry. With smart design hacks, you can turn your small fire pit patio into a good-looking and stylish way. Fuel up for fun. Fire pit fuel isn't one size fits all. Choose the option that best suits your needs and preferences. Here's a breakdown of popular choices. Seasoned wood. This classic option burns clean and hot, providing a beautiful crackling fire. However, it requires some preparation, chopping and seasoning, and can be messy. Seasoned firewood logs. Seasoned firewood logs offer a longer burn time than kindling, making them ideal for extended gatherings. They're also relatively low maintenance, though they still require storage space. Eco-friendly options. If you're looking for a more sustainable option, explore eco-friendly fire pit fuels like compressed sawdust logs. These logs are made from recycled materials and burn cleanly with minimal smoke. Fire pit cubes. For a low-maintenance and mess-free option, consider fire pit cubes. These easy-to-light cubes burn hot and clean, leaving minimal ash behind. They're a great choice for quick and convenient fires. If you want to see more creative patio designs, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got exciting content coming up. For a deep dive into patio inspiration, check out our patio design ideas playlist. Just click the link in the description or find it on our channel. Fire feature flare. Elevate your fire pit from functional to fabulous with a decorative fire ring. Look for unique shapes that complement your patio decor, like a star for a celestial theme or a flower for a whimsical touch. A fire screen with an interesting design adds another layer of visual appeal, while providing extra safety by containing sparks and embers. We talked about decorative fire rings and screens. Here's how to elevate them further. DIY fireglass magic. Fireglass adds a touch of sophistication and comes in various colors. For a dazzling effect, place a layer of fireglass around the base of your fire pit. Just make sure the fireglass is specifically designed for fire pits and can withstand high temperatures. Pro tip: fireglass also helps suppress dust and embers, making cleaning your fire pit a breeze. Did you know? Studies have shown that flickering firelight can have a calming effect, similar to meditation. Gazing into the flames can lower stress hormones and promote feelings of relaxation. Seating that sizzles. Comfort is key when creating a fire pit gathering space. Invest in weather-resistant patio furniture that can handle the heat and occasional splatter. Arrange comfortable chairs or a cozy sectional in a conversation circle to encourage socializing. Fire-resistant throw pillows add a touch of comfort and style, but make sure they're labeled for outdoor use. Pro trick: add a small side table next to the seating area for holding drinks, snacks, or roasting supplies. This keeps them within easy reach and prevents them from getting knocked over or landing in the fire. Invest in weatherproof covers. When you're not using your fire pit, cover your furniture with weatherproof covers. This will protect them from sun damage, rain, and dust, keeping them looking their best for years to come. Light up the night. String lights overhead cast a magical ambience and set the mood for a relaxing evening. Fairy lights or solar lanterns strung across the patio create a whimsical and inviting atmosphere. For a bistro-style vibe, drape cafe lights around a pergola or other overhead structure. Did you know? According to a study by the National Fire Protection Association, gathering around a fire pit can strengthen social bonds and promote relaxation. So, light a fire, roast some marshmallows, and enjoy quality time with loved ones. The S'more Station. Create a dedicated s'more station to streamline your fireside treats. Include plates, napkins, and roasting sticks with extendable handles for safe marshmallow roasting. Don't forget to stock up on all the s'mores essentials: graham crackers, chocolate bars, and a variety of marshmallows. Classic or explore fun flavors like chocolate chip or peanut butter. DIY roasting sticks. Station. Craft a designated roasting stick station using a terracotta pot or a decorative bucket filled with sand. This keeps the sticks upright and organized, preventing them from getting lost or rolling around. Pro tip: label the roasting sticks with names to avoid any marshmallow mix-ups. Fire safety. First, always prioritize safety when enjoying your fire pit. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby in case of emergencies. Never leave a fire unattended, and make sure it's completely extinguished before leaving the patio. Douse the embers with water and stir the ashes to ensure nothing hot remains. Pro tip: keep a metal bucket filled with sand next to your fire pit. Sand is an excellent fire smothering agent, and it can be used in conjunction with water for complete extinguishment. If you found these patio design ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Did you know? Fire can be a powerful storytelling tool. According to anthropological studies, gathering around a fire pit has been a social activity for millennia, fostering communication, strengthening bonds, and sharing knowledge between generations. Embrace the elements. Be prepared for those chillier nights by having a basket of cozy blankets on hand. Curl up under the stars and enjoy the warmth of the fire. Citronella candles placed strategically around the patio will help keep mosquitoes at bay, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor haven for longer. DIY windshield. Create a temporary wind barrier using folding screens or even large blankets strategically positioned around the fire pit. This will help block wind gusts and keep the fire burning steadily, especially on breezy nights. With these fire pit ideas, pro tricks, and did you know? Facts, you're well on your way to creating the ultimate outdoor sanctuary. Imagine curling up with a good book by the warm glow of the fire, or sharing laughter and stories with loved ones as you roast marshmallows. Fire pits can also be the perfect backdrop for intimate gatherings, movie nights under the stars, or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the open sky. So go ahead, fire up the fun, and turn your patio into a place where memories are made and enjoyed for years to come.